tools is critical to any business. Sometimes they get lost, sometimes they get stolen, and sometimes they get misplaced. And that's why Ply has introduced the ability for you to manage your tools, equipment, and assets all in one place so you never lose a tool again. Let's take a look at some of those features within Ply. When we click on Catalog, we'll be able to see that there's a new tab next to Materials called Tools. When you click on that, you'll be able to sort by any number of attributes, search the name of a tool, or filter across location, jobs, assignment, or status. Below, you'll be able to see a list of all of your tools, the last assignment, the current location or job, the status that it's assigned to. When we drill into a tool, we'll be able to see the tool details, the number of units that we have on hand in the organization, ones that are available, and ones that are in use. We'll be able to see description and attributes of the tool as well. Below, you'll be able to see the units and serialized information for a specific tool. So we can see here that for this socket drive set, we have 2 units assigned to 2 different individuals across 2 separate jobs and locations. When we open up one of the tools, you'll be able to see the barcodes, the suppliers that it was purchased from, the position, the initial purchase price, and the depreciating value. You can also print off a tool barcode in case you need to create one or replace it. When we edit this item, we'll be able to edit the name of the tool, the serial number, and all kinds of corresponding information like where we bought it from and its current purchase price. We'll be able to assign users to this tool, or we'll be able to change the status. For example, this tool is now damaged, and we're going to take it out of commission. You can also track tools within your stock locations. Inside of a stock location, we have a new tab called Tools, and when you click on it, you'll be able to see the available tools within this one location. You can see the position, its current status, and the job that it may be assigned to. Additionally, you'll be able to transfer tools. So I've selected a tool here. We can move it to a different location, like a warehouse or a truck. And that tool is now within that possession of that user. So you can go back and track who has that tool last and track it back into the warehouse when the job is. Tracking your tools is vital for your business. Whether you have $10,000 worth of tools or $1 million in tools, it's imperative that you know where these high value items are so that you can track them and make use of their efficiency.